ni Don Williams mu karimbo yise I've been loved by the best cyangwa se nakunzwe n'ubahiga bose. Muri kumwe nanjye Wapla, aka karimbo kabashimishe.
Darling, if you ever leave me,
ati mukundwa n'ibibeshya ukansiga,
well, I'll just put my heart away.
umutima wanjye nzawushyira kure cyane.
I couldn't love again, believe me.
Ntabwo nashobora kongera gukunda, unyizere.
No one could please me anyway.
Kuko nta n'umwe wabasha kongera kunshimisha.
And if another ever came along,
Hagize n'ubigerageza akaza,
I'd just turn them down, 'cause
abo
after
bombi
all,
ntabasubiza inyuma kubera ko nyuma y'ibyo byose
I've been loved by the best.
uwankunze arabarenze bose.
Settle now for less.
Kandi rwose ntacyo nkeneye ikindi. Nta mpamvu yo kwirya umutima n'ibisigaye rero. Bebe,
I've been to the top.
ndabizi njyewe wansumbishije abandi bose. Ubundi ngufite nahawe umugisha.
Take nothing.
Kandi nta kindi nkeneye kirenze kuri ibyo.
I've been loved by the best.
Kuko wankunze arenze abandi bose. Ni Don Williams. Muri kumwe nanjye Wapla.
If you ever get tired of me,
Kandi uramutse unandambiwe,
well, I won't look for someone new.
nta muntu mushyashya nakwegera nshaka wundi.
'Cause looking back on how you loved me,
Kuko iyo ngaruye amaso inyuma y'ukuntu wankunze,
no one could measure up to you.
nta muntu umwe abasha kwipimaho.
And if they tried to win this heart,
Niba nagerageza gutsindira umutima wanjye,
I'd just have to say don't waste your
nzababwira ni muri gutakaza igihe.
I've been loved by the best.
Kubera ko wankunze arabahiga,
Settle now for less.
kandi rwose nta kindi
Why
nkeneye.
bother with the rest?
Rero nta mpamvu yo kwirya umutima mu bisigaye.
I've
Bebe,
been to the top.
ndabizi wansumbishije abandi bose.
You I have been blessed.
Ubundi ngufite mfite umugisha.
Take nothing less.
Kandi nta kindi nkeneye kirenze kuri ibyo.
I've been loved by the
Rero wankunze arabahiga bose.
When I look into your eyes, I know
Iyo nkurebye mu maso ndabizi neza,
you're the only love I'll ever want.
niwe rukundo rukumbi gusa nigeze nshaka na mbere. Nyuma rero yawe nanjye,
I can see
ubu rwose ndabibona neza.
nothing else could be.
Ntacyo na kimwe cyanatuza hagati nk'ikosa.
I've been loved by the
Kubera ko wankunze azi ibyo arimo,
settle now for less.
nta kindi nkeneye rero.
Why bother with the rest?
Nta mpamvu yo kuribwa umutima n'ibisigaye. Bebe,
I've been to the top.
ndabizi wansumbishije abandi bose.
You I have been
Ubundi ngufite mfite umugisha.
take nothing.
Ntacyo nkeneye rero kirenze kuri ibi.
I've been loved by the
Kubera ko wankunze arabarenze bose. Ni Don Williams, mwari kumwe nanjye Wapla. Nkatuma inshuti zanjye zose. Ni Don Williams mu karimbo